Hi, my name is Dr. Rebecca Hopkins. I'm a chiropractor, owner of the Wellness Studio in Fort Worth, and a proud Jane ambassador. I'm so excited to chat with you today about how Jane has been a total game changer for my practice. I can't wait to share with you some of my favorite features that have helped me run my practice and delight my patients every day. If you're curious about how other practitioners in your field are using Jane, or you just want to see how to get started and how to get the most out of this platform, you're in the right place. Let's start with my favorite feature, and that's integrations. It's a game changer for my practice, and it's a great feature that Jane offers where you can utilize useful integrations that work for your office and patients. MailChimp, PhysiTrack, Google Analytics, Jane Payments, to name a few, but there are several more. My favorite integration that Jane offers is PhysiTrack, which is a great app for prescribing exercises for patients, and you can send them directly from their profile. So it's really seamless and easy. So I'll take you guys through how to get there. If you click on settings, here on the left, you'll see integrations. And if you click that, it'll take you to all of the integrations that Jane offers at this moment. And I want to show you guys the one that I love, and that's PhysiTrack. You'll basically just sign up here and it'll directly sync if you go to the patient's profile, so that when you are prescribing, you'll see the integration up here beside billing, messages, and files. And you can directly click on PhysiTrack here and send them their exercises that you prescribe for them. So again, it's so easy and I love it. My patients love it, and it's just really user-friendly. And a great tool to have in your office. Patients say that they love how easy it is to use and follow along. They also love that they get access directly from their phone or computer or any tablet that they're using. The second feature that I love most about Jane is their online booking site. And I don't know what I would do without this feature, to be honest. It's truly what has brought me so many patients seamlessly into my office, and just with speaking to many patients of mine, they love this feature as well. And it offers a delightful online booking experience that will attract new patients or clients and keep them coming back. So let's go to the online booking site so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. So if you go over to demo and you go to online booking sites, this is what patients will see, or potential patients will see, when they book with you for the first time or if they're booking a subsequent visit. So it's really like aesthetic. Jane respects your brand, so you can actually put your brand colors, you can put your logo on this page, and they create a really great first impression to match your practice's brand. So I love that. The next thing that's really nice is that booking is made super easy. So if you click on book an appointment at the Village, you'll see here all of the services that are offered with each practitioner, and you can literally just click on, let's say, initial visit here, and it'll take you to the first availability that they have available. So you can just click on a time, you put your information, and it'll allow you to book an appointment directly from this online booking site, which is great. You can also put, if we go back to the main page, you can also put your offerings on display. So all your treatment and practitioner availability is accessible to your patients at a glance. This feature helps save so much time on the phone booking patients. Instead, patients can book in directly from their social media without hassle and on their own terms. My third favorite feature in Jane has to be their chart template library. I love this so much because it's helped me so much as a provider and as a practitioner to really just get things going quickly when I started, because all the information and everything you need is in this template library. So let me tell you a little bit more about it. This is one of Jane's most loved feature, and it's for good reason. It's a shared library full of ready-to-use charting templates created by healthcare practitioners across many disciplines. It's awesome because it helps save you time. So instead of building every chart from scratch, you can grab a template that's already 80 to 90% on the way there. And sometimes it's fully complete and it's ready to use. It's customizable, so every template can be fully edited. You can adjust the language, change the fields, add diagrams, and make it exactly how you want it. It's community driven. These aren't just generic templates. They've been built and shared by real clinicians. And if you've made a great template, you can actually choose to share it back with the Jane community so others can benefit from your workflow. So these are my top 3 features from Jane. There's so many more that I love, but if I had to choose 3, these are my top 3. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one.